time to do or die. Let's get our laughs while we can.
Here we are, buddy. I was right all along. You were just another threat to Rubicon.
It's that Vesper. That's no archivist, they say.
Combined by the corporations, I couldn't stop you. This new AC can.
Well, that's good. It looks like he was using the corpse, too.
Always been after Rubicon, taking what they can get. Someone has to put an end to this injustice.
Look at me, Forrest. Just make sure you win this.
Where did this resolve come from? You must have chosen something, sacrificed something. You found your purpose, didn't you? I won't stop. Chase the clouds for Lower Rubicon. A guy who can fly high enough. My children need 50%. AP at 30%. Must be heavy. This purpose you found. You finally showed me who you are. It's too late now. Flew just out of reach. Buddy.
Buddy, huh? Do him a favor, tourist. Remember him. Satellite cannons? This isn't right. There's no way the corpse took the closure system.